Having a great surround sound system for listening to music or watching TV is a really nice upgrade for any home. But there's a right way and a wrong way of doing it. So here's what we came up with in this build. For this build, because of the heights of our ceilings, we went with a larger profile speaker so that the sound isn't distorted. We could have opted for wall-mounted units, but because how we were going to use the space and pictures and decorations, the ceiling-mounted units were the best way to go. We also opted to do a sound bar that gets mounted below the TV. And the reason for that is when you're watching TV, you want that sound to come towards you with the surround sound aspect to come down from above. We did the same speaker setup in our dining room. We also installed speakers in our kitchen and in our covered patio. All of this is controlled by either your smartphone, a tablet, or a wall-mounted unit. I say consult with your sound engineer or your local sound shop, and they will give you a plethora of options. The brains of this system will be housed in a media cabinet located in the mechanical room, which is directly behind this wall. All of these wires will have to be identified and tied into a specific piece of equipment, whether it be the sound woofer, the amplifier, or motorized blinds, which I'll get to in just one second. But every one of these wires, and there's probably a good 100 wires here, are labeled. Can you imagine trying to figure out which wire goes to which room, or is it a right speaker or a left speaker? I mean, pure insanity. So they do a lot of work on the front end to make their job on the back end just a little bit easier. These wires are what are going to power your motorized blinds. It's a really simple install. They come right out in the corner of all of the windows, and we installed them in all of the large profile windows and windows that are not easily reachable, so the ones that are higher up. We did them in the master bedroom and one of the other bedrooms, the secondary bedrooms as well. The nice part about doing motorized versions of your blinds is that you don't have to change the batteries, and they're also fully programmable. So you can control them with your phone, a tablet, a wall-mounted unit. And imagine going to bed at night with the blinds being closed and waking up to a full view of Pikes Peak because the blinds have already opened on their own. If this episode helped you rethink your relationship with your boombox and automated privacy, then hit that subscribe button and share it with a friend. Around here, we say mock it up or mess it up. We'll see you next time.